great? And where is the beauty that once was thine? Oh, where are the princes and nobles that sate at the feast in thy halls and drank the red wine? Where, O Kincora? Oh, where, Kincora, are thy valorous lords? Oh, whether thou hospitable are they gone? Oh, where are the Dalcatians of the golden swords? And where are the warriors Brian led on? Where, O Kincora? And where is Murrow, the descendant of kings, the defeater of 100, the daringly brave, who set but slight store by jewels and rings, who swam down the torrents and laughed at its wave? Where, O Kincora? And where is Donogh, King Brian's worthy son? And where is Kinane, the beautiful chief? And Kiad and Cork, alas, they are gone. They have left me this night, alone with my grief, left me Kincora. Oh, where are the chiefs with whom Brian went forth, the ne'er-vanquished son of Evan the brave, the great king of Onat, renowned for his worth, and the hosts of Baskin from the Duncan wave? Where, O Kincora? And where is Dublan of the swift-footed steeds? And where is Keanu, son of Molloy? And where is Kinlonergan, the fame of whose deeds in the red battlefield no time can destroy? Where, O Kincora? And where is that youth of majestic height, the faith-keeping prince of the Scots? Even he, as wide as his fame was, as great as was his might, was tributary, O Kincora, to thee. O Kincora. They are gone, those heroes of royal birth, who plundered no churches and broke no trust. 'Tis weary for me to be living on earth, when they, O Kincora, lie low in the dust. Low, O Kincora. Oh, never again will princes appear to rival the Dalcatians of the cleaving swords. I can never dream of meeting a far or a near, in the east or the west, such heroes and lords. Never Kincora. Oh, dear are the images my memory calls up, of Brian Boru, how he never would miss to give me at the banquet the first bright cup. Oh, why did he on me honor like this? Why, O Kincora? I am Mac Liag, and my home is on the lake. Thither often to that palace whose beauty is fled came Brian to ask me, and I wept for his sake. Oh, my grief that I should live and Brian be dead. Dead, O Kincora.